Hi guys, welcome to TechToon channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your YouTube channel private. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you can see here on top right corner this profile icon. Click on this. Then go to YouTube Studio, the second option. Click on continue, close. Then wait for a second. Now you'll find here these options. Just choose settings, go to channel, go to advanced settings, this one. Now you can see here your YouTube channel. Do you want to set your channel for kids? And here you can find these things. Remove YouTube content, this option. Click on this. You have to verify your password, like I'm doing this now. After confirming it, go to continue. Then you can see here I want to hide my channel. Just go to here and take these things. After take these things, just click on hide my channel. After click on this blue button hide my channel, your all profiles will be hidden. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna hide my channel, I'm just showing you the tutorial. If you want it, just click on this and your channel will be hidden. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.